This video will show you how to use the Power Guide feature on your Edge540 840 cycling computer. This video will use both devices to demonstrate. Edge540 will be operated by button. Edge840 will be operated by touch screen. Creating a Power Guide. From the home screen, select Training Glance. Select Power Guide. You can select a Power Guide that has already been created, or select plus icon to create a new one. If you are using Edge840, you can select Course Creator to create a new course. In this video, we will select Use Saved Course. Select a course that you have created from Garmin Connect. Enter a name for the Power Guide. If you are using Edge540, you can enter a name from the Garmin Connect's instant keyboard. And select Checkmark to confirm. Select a riding position. Select a gear weight or enter custom weight. You can adjust your goal effort. Select Save to confirm. Starting a Power Guide. Select the Power Guide you just created. Select Ride. Press Start/Stop key to start the activity timer. That's it. Thanks for watching.